Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm back again to teach you another line dance. The name of this dance is called YNL Sway. It is a one-wall dance. There's two parts, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so very kindly. I appreciate your support. If you're watching this channel for the first time and you like the content, please consider subscribing. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructional. If you want to dance to the music, watch till the end. Click on the video and let's dance together. So let's go. Part one. I'm going to turn my back to you. So we're going to do a side rock with a coaster step on the right, and on the left repeat the same thing. Side rock with a coaster step. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Some people just go side rock with a coaster step, side rock with a coaster step. But he steps back a little bit. Side rock with a coaster step, side rock with a coaster step. So it's side rock, a triple in place, and he teaches it as a side rock with a coaster step. Side rock with a coaster step. It's still the same thing. It's the same count. You're just stepping back a little bit. All right, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and side rock with a coaster step, side rock with a coaster step. We do a toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. We walk up for 4. Right, left, left. So you're going to move up on that walk, okay? So it's toe strut on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from the top, side rock, coaster step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Toe, 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, you go front, side, coaster step on the right, on the left, front, side with a coaster step. 12, 3, coaster step, 12, 9, coaster step. And I think he turns his toe a little bit. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's all part one. Let's put it together. Part one is the verse. So he sings the verse, 2 parts of the verse. So you're going to repeat that twice, okay? From the first and second rotation. On the third rotation, he only sings it once, and then you'll go into part 2. So let's put it together. 5, 6 from the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 12, 9. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Now, let's go into part 2. So I did part 1 twice. On the first rotation, you do it twice. On the second rotation, you do it twice again. But on the third and the last rotation, you only do it once. Now, here's part 2. All right? Part 2 is going to be almost like part 1. But to do a coaster step, you're going to do a travel step. Side rock, recover. Behind, side, front. 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 When you do it on the right and the left, when you come back, you step 1, 2, left, 3, 4, and walk back to the front. Right, left, right, left. So this actually, you're going to travel around, making a full turn. So when you do that side rock, recover, behind, side, front, side rock, recover, behind, side, front. So walking around. 1, hold 2, left, 3, hold 4, walk right, left, right, tap. You tap, that's exactly because we're going to repeat this on the left side. Side rock, recover, behind, side, front, side rock, recover, behind, side, front. Step left, step right, walk it out, left, right, right. So, you repeat part 1 twice, but part 2, you do it on the right side and the left side. So you're actually doing it twice also, but you're doing it on the right and the left. So let's do that again. Part 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right. 1, 2, left, 3, 4. Walk back to the front. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk around. 1, 2, 3, 4 singles. 5, 6, 7, 8. And start over. 2, 3, and 4. So now, let's put the whole entire thing together. Okay? Remember when he sings the verse, you do part 1. When he sings sway, that's the chorus. And you're going to do part 2, okay? And he does that on a rotation 1 and rotation 2. Rotation 3 and 4, he only sings one part of the verse. And then he goes into the sway. So you only do it one time. A part 1, just one time. And then the sway, you're going to do it on the right and the left, okay? All right. So when you go to the demo, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I've taught you every part of the dance you need to know to do this dance, okay? Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right. 1, 2, left, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The dance starts over. We always stay at this wall. When we start the dance over, we always at the front wall. So that's what makes it a one-wall dance. Okay? That's YNL sway. So rotation 1, you're going to do part 1 twice. And then part 2 on the right leg and the left leg. Rotation 2, you're going to do part 1 twice. Part 2 on the right leg and the left leg. The third rotation, you're going to do part 1 one time. You're going to do part 2 on the right and the left. The last rotation, You do part one just one time. And the second rotation, you do it on the right and the left, okay? And end of the dance. That's called YNL sway, okay? So everything you need to know about this dance, every part or whatever, you can do it. Beginners, instructors, you're beginners. This is a perfect dance to teach your student the coaster step, the travel step, which is a weave, and it's at the perfect tempo. So this dance isn't really fast, okay? It's slow to mid tempo. So this is perfect time for you to teach them the terminology and pick up those steps. Also, they're doing a directional turn. So although it is a one wall dance and we staying at this wall, that walk around is teaching them to walk into a full turn, okay? So this is the perfect dance for beginners. Also, for those who are not beginners, you'll enjoy the music. The music is perfect. So it's YNL sway. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.